Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Focus.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. I'm back from my leave and here we go guys. So for today, Tuesday, July the 30th, 2019, the time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT here. We're looking at the chart of the FTSE. This is a short-term chart, 45 minutes. And here we can see that since it sort of forms a low at 7464.5 here on July 25th, it has rallied in an impulsive characteristic. I think there's no doubt about the rally here. It is showing an impulsive behavior. And so what this means is that we should continue to see more upside. We got a bullish sequence stem, also right side higher with the green color, and so that means we do like more upside in the FTSE, and we believe that the pullback here after it finished the 5 ways up should find buyers in the sequence of 3 7 11 swing. So we're calling this an APC zigzag, which is the 3 swings, and as far as this pivot in 74.64 remains intact, we should see for the upside in the index. All right, and now we can see here talking about the structure. This pullback to the wave 2 is in the form of a WXY over here. Okay, so we got a double correction in this case, and ended this at the 74.64, and since it has rallied higher. Now zooming out, looking at the higher degree, let's take a look at the daily chart. Now I'm placing this wave 2 in the black here, which is 74.64 on the daily chart here. The same 74.64 right here, and so that means this is a wave 1, and we can see from this low, which is on June the 3rd or early June, we could see a high sequence here. Okay, so again that favors more upside in the index, and I should continue to see for the upside. Now furthermore, if you take a look at this pivot in December 2018, we also got a bullish sequence here, high, and this structure of the rally from the December 2018 all the way to this high on April 2019. This rally looks to be impulsive as well, so this could be the instance of a nest in which we get a 1-2-1-2. Alright, so this is implying a pretty bullish outlook here in the FTSE. Alright, and we should continue to see for the upside. So what can be the alternate? Well, the alternate can be some sort of a diagonal, but it looks less likely, to be honest, at this point. It could be a diagonal in which this is a 1 2 3 4 5. Now you notice here that this third swing is shorter than the first swing, so if this is going to be a diagonal of some sort, then this fifth swing has to be shorter than this, right? Otherwise, if not, then you cannot call this as a 1 2 3 4 5 diagonal here. Okay, and it is looking less likely in my opinion, because you can see even if diagonal usually forms like a wedge, but this one looks like it might have already broken above that wedge, so suggesting it is quite strong, the move higher here, and it benefits from the weak pound sterling right now because of the Brexit issues, which is kind of a little bit paradoxical. I mean, you got a country in which can potentially have a bad sort of economy after the Brexit, but the indices keeps continue to go up because the currency is weak, and therefore it has a advantage in terms of the export and things like that. And anyway, we're looking at the technicals, and technicals clearly still suggesting more upside, and so we do like more upside here in the FTSE, and any pullback therefore again should find buyers in 3 7 11 swing. Okay, so if you like and enjoy this video, please subscribe and like our channel, and also you can check our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below. All right, see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.